Guide me there, whispered dreams. Guide me there, whispered dreams. Take me where the gentle streams can soothe my soul. Turn the sky softer blue. Let me find my truth anew. In the hush, neath the trees, nature's breath carries me of city lights, seeking signs within the night. On this path, steady pace, quiet noise, life's embrace. All the strife fades away in every dust and each new day. Lead me through the story's page, just a soul upon the stage, chasing stars across the sky, with open roads where freedom flies. Paint my journey in colors bold, in whispered stories yet untold, with every